Let's return to the dict1 dictionary from the previous lecture and see how can we work with it. So we have dict1. This is it. First, let's extract a value for a specified key. This can be done similar to accessing elements in a list, only that we don't specify an index. We specify the associated key for the value we want. So let's say dict1 of iOS returns the value for the iOS, which is 12.4. Okay, let's try this for the vendor key. And we get Cisco back. Okay, great. In the previous lecture, I said that dictionaries are mutable. So let's try to add a key value pair to our dictionary. This is done by simply assigning a new value to the new key, like this. dict1 of, let's say, rem equals, and the value for this key, let's say 128. Now let's check dict1 again. And indeed, our dictionary was updated with the new key value pair. Now, notice that the pair we added is not appended at the end of the dictionary, because dictionaries are unordered, remember? Okay. Now, maybe we want to modify the value for the iOS of this Cisco router. Well, how can we do this? It's simple. Just use the same syntax as for adding a pair. So, let's do a dict1 of iOS equals, and then you type in the new value, let's say 12.3. Let's check the dictionary again, and indeed the value was updated for the iOS key. Okay, we can also delete a pair in the dictionary using the del function. Del of, let's say, dict1 of ports. Now let's check the dictionary, and indeed the ports key value pair is gone. Now, remember the len function from strings, from lists and tuples? We can use it here to find out the number of key value pairs within a dictionary. So we have dict1, we have 4 key value pairs, as we can see. Let's type len of dict1, and it indeed returns 4 as the number of elements in this dictionary. Okay, correct. Of course, you can verify if a value is a key in a dictionary or not, like this. Let's say iOS in dict1 is true. Okay. Let's say iOS2 in dict1. This returns false because iOS is not a valid key in our dictionary. And for the same reason, iOS2 not in dict1 returns true. Now, there are 3 important methods to deal with keys and values in a dictionary. The first method is the keys method. This is used to obtain a list having the keys in a dictionary as elements. A similar method is values, to get a list of dictionary values. Now let's see both of them. So first, dict1 dot keys indeed returns a list of the keys in this dictionary. Now let's see dict1 dot values also returns a list, this time a list made of the values in the dictionary. Okay. The third main method here is the items method, which returns a list of tuples, each tuple containing the key and value of each dictionary pair. So let's check this out. dict1.items. Okay, so we indeed got a list of tuples, each tuple containing a key value pair in our dictionary. Now we should expand a bit on the order of elements in a dictionary. Even if the dictionary stores the key value pairs in a different order than the order you specify them, when using the keys, values, and items methods, Python keeps track of the order in which it stored the pairs and displays the keys, values, or pair tuples in the same order. So let's see this in practice. Let's check dict1 again. Sorry. Okay, this is the order of pairs in our dictionary. Now, let's check the order of elements in the lists generated by the three methods. So dict1.keys, dict1.values, and dict1.items. You can see that Python helps us a bit when dealing with dictionaries by keeping an internal indexing system when using dictionary methods. From these three methods we applied on dictionary dict1, we can see that Python indeed keeps track of this index and this order in which you can access elements in the dictionary. Okay, I think this should cover most of what you need on dictionaries to get things going.